Hi, my name is Paula, and I would like to tell you about a career that caught my attention. Well, since I was little, I really like art, so that is why I would like to study something related to this. And after doing some research, I decided that I will possibly study graphic design. I am not very sure, but like I said before, possibly that is what I am going to study in a few years. First, we need to know what is graphic design and how is it defined according to some universities. Graphic design is a profession and academic discipline whose activity consists of projecting visual communication aimed at transmitting a specific message to social groups with a specific objective. In other words, it is a creative, systematic, and intentional activity that, through the use of language, graphics, and the audiovisual media, to project something that is to be communicated. Many universities have the mission of training graphic designers in response to information problems and the visual communication needs of contemporary context. And his vision is to generate a high quality higher education leader in knowledge management that allows the development of project design process and research in the field of visual communication that allow a space of convergence for the academic community with the sectors economic, political, and sociocultural. I was looking about this career and I saw a page that mentioned that these 5 universities are the best to study graphic design. Although I have not chosen a specific one, but this will be my options in the future. Some requirements that are needed for this career are design principles, color theory, and layout. Also, printing and digital techniques, psychology, computer science design, and web development, and finally, marketing and business. If you don't know any of these, it doesn't mean that you can study this career. But if you have these bases, it will be easier and they will be help you a lot. Um, okay. For the other hand, the mandatory classes that you have to see are geometry, basic algebra, and intermediate algebra, computer science and application, web design and web development, art appreciation and practical skills, and finally communication. How long is the career of graphic design? The career as a technician lasts approximately 3 years, but if you want to continue, it can be extended and have a total of approximately 4 years of study. Finally, how much do you earn as a graphic designer in Colombia? Well, It depends on what you work on, but roughly they are 1,227,620 pesos. As I said before, it depends on what you work. The current file of work for a graphic designer is wide. They can work in design and advertising agencies, companies in the web, in the multimedia area, publishing companies, print media companies that produce packaging, companies, exhibitions, fairs, museums, art galleries, centers, cultural, business association, in the commerce, in public and private educational institutions, etc. And thank you. That was my presentation, and thank you.